The Santa Caterina Market was designed by Enric Miralles and Benedetta Tagliabue. The renovation was completed in 2005 to modernize an existing market, preserving the neoclassical facades. A colorful curving ceramic mosaic tile roof is placed over the market and recalls the awnings over market stalls and the architecture of Gaudi. A wood roof with long-span steel trusses provides a delightful ceiling for the market stalls. The renovation exposed the ruins of a monastery that once occupied the site. There's no shortage of good food nearby, but try the market's Torna next to the entrance. It has great food with a counter where you can watch all the action.